Ka A-Chik Cultural Club Kiling menta ka sngi santare kalalengkon kila Pynlong ya ka program bakerpang na benta ki pat garo ha ka teka than ha ka ni ka program la Pynlong ya ka Jingiakop Shad ruai Riam Tynrai pat ki wei de ka balong kum shi benta ban penne pensa ya ka riti dustur jong ki pat garo balalong kristan ki basyong basa ha ki than kiling ter shadu than yong khuli ya ka ni ka program la Pynlong hasnong bara kiling riboy. Hakani kasngi lawan bansa Shillong da uba sostenus sotun Menteri Khuborjylla ubade ru MLA MDC jirang haka jingdan rengkat kiwei pat kireu pau khmat nagi pat garo ki basyong basa haka teka than lengba ka teka program lawan baneshim benta da baro ki pat garo nadu ka than kiling shadu ki than long khuli lengba ka teka program lawan baneshim benta da baro ki pat garo nadu ki than kiling shadu ki than yong khuli haka ba kila yo ban pen i ya karukam Shad ruai bat Riam Tynrai haka tega Jingiakop kasnong bara kiling kalawan haka kerdan ke baningkong kasnong amper asam haka kerdan ke baar bat kasnong noksig gitim haka kerdan balai
that it lies in itself the warmth, joy, happiness of coming together to celebrate and coming together, bringing together the richness of culture and tradition. We have seen that many people, different groups have come together to present different cultures and traditions. And it makes us all feel that we should be in line together to respect and preserve our cultural identity. I would once again congratulate and thank the All Killing Cultural Club, the President, Secretary and all the members for bringing together different communities to celebrate in the annual program that you are organizing. And I hope that this program, it will increase and uplift the cultural identity of our culture and the community. So best of luck for all of you, and I would like to wish each and every troops who are coming from different areas for the song question competition that you are participating here in this very ground, and I hope that all the participants the very best. And once again, I am wishing the All Killing Cultural Club the very best for your great initiatives in organizing such wonderful programs. And I would also like to thank the Wangla dance, the performance that you have given us from the heart, and you have performed in a very traditional way, and I hope that every program, each performance performance that you are giving, it will encourage each and everyone who are present here. So with only these few words, once again, I would like to wish the All Killing Cultural Club the very best for your
step yano anchunge salam khako chief guest ko mande raatho mesetinga. This is the first step, and this step symbolizes greetings. Sekarang bago anchung mutang na mangen, sekarang anchung magre ko na. Anchung anchung kasi may magre plan, anda ke anchung ni dedang langko, sudang langko, dan jajak chiwara chake. Dala aro wala sakani ko may sapangnya. Yang sekarang kita step salam ke aku, pas salam mula aku besok ang sekarang. The main guy in front symbolizes the warrior, A-Chik.